Hello, my name is Bao Tran. I'm a patent attorney, and welcome to the Metaverse, a boundless universe where imagination fuels creation and the digital and the physical worlds converge. Here, the future of industries and intellectual property unfolds before our eyes. In this digital renaissance, industries from fashion to real estate, education to manufacturing are not just evolving, they are being reimagined. The Metaverse is the canvas, and innovation is the brush. Global brands are pioneering this virtual frontier, recognizing the Metaverse as the next evolution of the internet, a realm of the endless possibilities for connection, creation, and commerce. But as we chart this unexplored territory, the guardians of innovations, patents, trademark, and copyrights play a pivotal role. Protecting the functional and design aspects of products ensures that creativity thrives in this new digital economy. In the Metaverse, where the digital and tangible intertwine, a multifaceted approach to intellectual property protection is essential. From utility patents protecting innovative functionalities to design patents safeguarding the unique aesthetic aspects of virtual creations, the fabric of the universe is woven with the threads of intellectual property. As the Metaverse expands, so does the complexity of the legal landscape. Intellectual property disputes in this virtual world mirror those of the physical, yet they also present unique challenges and opportunities for shaping the future of digital innovation. In the Metaverse, intellectual property is not a tool for protection. It's a catalyst for growth and innovation. As we venture further into this digital frontier, let us navigate with creativity, protect with foresights, and build a metaverse that benefits everyone, everywhere. We look forward to providing more informative discussions in our blogs and our video series. Thank you.